MLA of Naria Pakhang Lakpa, R.K. Anand, has asserted that ongoing bloodshed in Manipur cannot be stopped until suspension of operation, that is SU agreement, is abrogated, and alleged that NDA government in centre is not willing to stop the crisis in Manipur. Speaking to media persons at his residence in Kwakatil Akam Laikai, R.K. Anand accused centre of creating division among communities in the state. While alleging failure in governance, R.K. Anand stressed on a need for like-minded CSOs and individuals to fight the issues created by failure of government's policies. He also informed that coordinating committee Naria Pakhang Lakpa Assembly constituency will also join the movement, which is launched in the interest of masses. Attendees also observed 2-minute silence as tribute to victims of Throng lobby violence.
Manipuri nationalism si kamai taruga masi question sige masi maitei question na bahot na ba naga question na bahot na ba ai mo si bakoi man ta re si dia koi na proxy war na ri se koi surasanpur da kampopi da bunker me am sajana nomi khatning ba matam da bom langjaning ka da sum chatha ba masi bakoi to incompetent loi ba governance si da kaino kham da ba kamai na si bayan si government policy taruga masi handle da ba ki ha ba se policy tu gi one to putopo ngam da ba dum li am so the government and lo India government ki thak pa lang da khoi loi thumin da rang asi de khoi ma sen hadan na taw ri ba minai nai thang tu tham ba gi wafam lak tar ga di ma do khoi ni yaro ya se khoi khring na hai ga da ne wafam si ne ba na si thaning